Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create an attractive sports event flyer in CorelDRAW. Let's begin our design process step by step. First, select an A4 size document from the preset options. Now, choose the rectangle tool and double-click on the canvas. This will automatically create a full-page rectangle. Fill this rectangle with a color of your choice using the color palette. Also, make sure to remove the outline for a cleaner look. Once done, right-click on the shape and lock the object to avoid accidental edits. Next, pick the polygon tool and set the number of sides to 3 in the properties bar. Hold the Control key while dragging to draw a symmetrical triangle. Rotate the triangle to approximately 30 degrees for a dynamic angle. Now, press Ctrl+Q to convert the shape into editable curves. Open the corner Docker panel and set the corner radius to 15 mm. Click Apply to see the rounded effect. Feel free to adjust the size and position as needed. Now, switch to the Contour tool and choose the Inside Contour mode. Increase the contour steps to 18 mm to create an inner offset effect. Using the Smart Fill tool, click inside the contoured area to apply a solid color. Once filled, you can delete the original triangle shape. Remove the outline of the new shape and set the fill color to white. Let's add text now. Select the text tool and type Sports Event, and increase the text size. Use a bold, modern font like Edges. Press Ctrl+K to break the text into individual letters for custom positioning. Place Sports at the top and Event at the bottom, flipping both vertically for a creative layout. Select all text elements, remove the fill, and apply a black outline. Time to add color. Use the Smart Fill tool to apply vibrant colors to each letter. Select all letters of Sports and click Weld to merge them into one object. Repeat the same for Event. Now, fill the triangle shape with white and remove its outline. Delete any unnecessary text objects. Switch back to the Contour tool and reset the contour offset to 0. Right-click on the welded text and choose Break Contour Group Apart. Select the black outline, change it to white, and set the outline width to 3 points. Apply a gradient fill to the triangle for a modern look. To add depth, use the Shadow tool and apply a shadow with 100% opacity. Select all design elements and group them together for easier handling. Let's enhance the design further. Choose the Artistic Media tool and pick a brush style like sparks or grass. Draw flowing strokes around the design and adjust them with the Shape tool. Fill these elements with green or any color matching your theme. Add event details like date and venue using the Text tool. With the B-Spline tool, draw smooth curved lines and convert the outline into an object. Apply color and adjust transparency for a subtle background effect. Group everything and apply a soft shadow for a finished look. And there you have it, a professional sports event flyer. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more creative videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.